do a little bit better than that, everybody. I said ahoy, mates! There we go. Welcome to the Black Pearl Pirate Adventures, and thank you for sailing with us today. Before we get started, I have a couple of rules to go over. As you guys can see, the Black Pearl is moored on a floating dock. That means that there's water on both sides, so we need to go nice and slow and one at a time. Also, we do have an upper deck and a lower deck. Our upper deck is for pirate parents and infants only. Our lower deck is for our crew members because that's where we learn how to become pirates. And you guys want to be pirates today, right?
Yeah!
I didn't hear you. I said, are you ready to become pirates? Yeah! All right, we got water cannons on board. Can I hear an aye aye? Yeah! These water cannons are for emergency use only. We cannot touch or play with them until you hear me say, man your cannons. Can you repeat that? And if we do touch them before you hear me say that, the captain's going to get really cranky and make us swamp the poop deck. And there's only one reason they call it a poop deck, folks, so I don't think you want to do that, do you? No way! Last but not least, we do have a cash bar on board. Our cash bar serves hard drinks, soft drinks, chips, candy, whatever your little hearts desire. Now, are you guys ready to get started? I didn't hear any of you. I said, are you ready to get started? All right, follow me.
Let me take you, Patty. Yeah. Alright, let's go, Patty. Put your sword down. Let's go, Patty.
Get the tamale. Get the tamale. And hold that.
Do you want to swap this poop deck? I don't think so. I wouldn't touch him yet.
Don't touch your cat. That's what she said. Man, you're a cat. It's Wally. Don't fatty his roll.
Maddie, you want a soda?
Oh, yes.
What do you like?
I'll take Sprite.
Stand down. Stand
I'm
down.
going to sit down here.
What? Yeah, sit down. Would you like some patty?
We'll be moving around a lot during the ride.
He's on his own. He's on his own. Got the baby.
And you can sit up here if you want. Sit here, you can sit there.
I'd rather not face the sun.
Say hello. Hello.
Rather not face the sun.
Pretty cool, hey?
She has that.
Nothing too interesting.
Oh, okay. This one? Yeah, he has that. Allie, you guys stand here. All right, Jacqueline, you stand here. That's until they get on.
Jacqueline, come sit there.
Come sit. So you have your hand.
We need to stay at Maryland. I'm about to
Sit here by your cat.
Yeah, no, I have to take this all the way around. I will stand behind this for right now. Thank you. Sorry. They said, your fire insurance or infants. So like, you let
What's the right answer? What's the right answer?
I told them they've been down all week and how cloudy it's been, but it's been great.
Put your head on. Okay?
I know, it's finally sunny, right?
I'm a good pirate. I'm down with everything.
It's been so cloudy and windy. And then it's finally sunny and we're like, oh my God. Yeah, I know, you're saying we complain, right? Yeah.
We set up a stay behind here.
Behind the barrel, yeah. Thank you.
I can stay on this side of the boat.
Yeah, that's good. You're fine.
Yes, sorry. Well, after 2 is okay. I did get her message. I just didn't. I haven't
Ahoy, mateys!
Ahoy!
I could have sworn that we already went over this today, everybody. I said ahoy, mates!
Ahoy!
Welcome aboard the Black Pearl. What do you guys think? It's pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
You think we could hang out here for like an hour or so?
Well, Pansy, I don't think we have much of a choice now.
Well, I don't have to want to bring out the plank today, Jabberjaw.
Oh no plank today, please.
Before we get started, I have a few introductions to make. Up top, sailing our ship is Captain Salty. Can I hear you all say, ahoy, Captain Salty!
Ahoy, Captain Salty!
Mommy saw.
And to my right, I have me mate Jabberjaws. Can I hear you all say, ahoy, Jabberjaws?
Ahoy, mates!
And I'm Painty the Pirate. I'll be your first mate today. Before we get any further out to this beautiful blue bay, it is Coast Guard mandated that we teach you guys the proper way to wear a life jacket. It's not rocket science, folks. Just make sure that the black strap is facing outward. Place the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your body. Clip it into place and then tighten it. Pirate parents, we do ask that you secure your life vest first and then assist your children. These life jackets are for emergency use only and can be located in the octagons that some of you may be sitting on and down in our bar and galley. Again, these are for emergency use only. If any of you can't seem to find your sea legs today or simply need to use the restroom, our head is located down this hallway, last door on your left. Our bar and galley is now open and we would be happy to assist you guys with any refreshments that you may need. Now, I don't know about you guys, but all these rules and all this information is getting a little bit boring, right?
I'll say.
So, are you guys ready to get started? Yeah! All right, all hands on deck. Can I have all my crew members up front? Come on up, everybody. Don't go shy.
Come on up, ladies. That's good, right there. Perfect.
We've got a big group today.
Aye.
All right. Now, do you guys see this big barrel beside me? We need to stay in front of this barrel at all times. As you guys can see, the further back I go, it's easy to slip and trip or knock your noggin on this metal pipe. Jabberjaws does that all the time.
Wait, what do I do all the time?
You see, she doesn't even remember. And I don't want that to happen to you guys. So we need to stay in front of this barrel at all times. Aye, aye?
Aye, aye!
All right, now do you guys remember what else I said whenever I called you all up here? Anybody? Do you remember, Jabberjaws?
All hands on deck.
Good job. Can I hear you all say, all hands on deck?
All hands on deck.
Very good job. Anytime you guys hear me say that, come and find me. I could be at the front of the ship or the back of the ship, but wherever I am, come and find me because then we have the next activity for you guys. Aye, aye?
Aye, aye!
All right, now let's get started. Who here thinks that they're a real pirate?
Me.
Oh,
I do.
no, you guys are real pirates.
Wait, but Pansy, I'm a real pirate. You saw me jumping and save Captain Salty from that squid the other day. It was all suction cup to his face.
Jabberjaws, you're a real pirate.
Aye.
And I'm a real pirate.
Aye.
And Captain Salty is kind of a real pirate.
Aye.
But we all went to pirate school.
Oh yeah, pirate school.
So are you guys ready to learn how to become pirates today? All right, so first we have to learn how to talk like pirates. Who here knows how to say hello to another pirate? That's pretty good. We said it whenever we first got on board. I heard it. Can I hear you all say, ahoy!
Ahoy!
Now, how do you agree with another pirate? How do you say yes to another pirate? Good job. Can I hear you all say aye aye?
Aye aye!
Now, I know you all know this one. What is a pirate's favorite word? Good job. Can I hear you all say aye?
That was pretty good, but I think we could do a lot better.
Should we get the pirate pants involved?
I think we should get everybody involved.
All right, so on the count of three, I want to hear your biggest, baddest, meanest R. 1, 2, 3. R. Shiver me timbers.
Now that's what I call a crew.
Best crew in the deep blue.
Aye aye.
So now, since we are going to be here for a while, shouldn't we learn the parts of the ship? Don't you think?
Well, that's what any good pirate would do.
Aye, aye. So who here knows what the front of the ship is called? Good. Oh, the port? That's pretty good. We call it the bow. Can I hear you all say the bow?
The bow.
Now, what about the back of the ship? What do we call it? The poop deck? That's pretty good. We call it stern. Can I hear you all say the stern?
The stern.
And what is this side called, buddy?
What's
Good job. Can I hear you all say the port side?
Port side.
And what about this side? What do we call it?
The second side.
I heard it. Can I hear you all say starboard?
Starboard.
Now, we know the parts of the ship, but who here knows how to dance like a pirate?
Anybody have any great dance moves they want to show us?
Well, you guys are in luck because Jabberjaws is one of the best dancers in the deep blue. She's going to teach you some dance moves today.
Okay, mateys. Just spread out a little bit. Give yourselves some wiggle room. All right, excellent. So, the first dance move we're going to learn today is called the man overboard. So I just need to see you plug your nose up like this. Put your hand up in the air like this. And go. I don't hear enough bubbles. Good job, mateys. All right, the next one we're going to learn is called the shark fin. So I just need to see you put your two hands on top of your head like this and go da-da, 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 da-da. Good job, mateys. All right, the next one we're going to learn is called the swimmer. And some of you probably already know this one. You just take your hand above your head like this and follow it around with the other one and pretend like you're swimming. Aye, aye, mateys, good job. Okay, the last one we're going to learn is the very best pirate dance move of all. It's called the Pirate Victory Dance. And we do this anytime we have a celebration. You just put your fist in the air like this, swing it down and give me your big bad R. R. Aye, and then take your leg, wiggle, 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 stomp. Take your other leg, wiggle, 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 stomp. Put your other fist in the air and say R. R. Good job, mateys. Give yourselves a round of applause. That was awesome. Pinky, did you see those dance moves?
Those were some pretty sick dance moves.
I know. I'm so impressed.
Now, I think that there's only one other thing we need to go over to become pirates.
Wait, what's that?
Our pirate vows, Jabberjaw.
Oh, our pirate vows.
So can I see you all raise your right hand and repeat after me?
Repeat after me.
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 Jabberjaws, repeat the vows.
Jabberjaws, repeat the vows.
I'm a silly pirate.
I'm a silly... Hey, wait a second.
So can I see you all raise your right hand and repeat after me? I promise.
I promise
To keep both feet
to keep both feet
on the deck
on the deck
at all times.
at all times.
I promise
I promise
to stay downstairs.
to stay downstairs.
I promise
I promise
to dance like a pirate.
to dance like a pirate.
And the most important one of all, I promise
I promise
to never,
never,
ever,
ever,
never, ever, never,
never, ever, never, ever, 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 never, ever
tell where the key
tell her the key
to our treasure chest is.
to our treasure chest is.
Now give yourselves a round of applause. You guys are all pirates today. Pirate parents, you guys should be so proud.
Oh, so very proud.
Jabberjaws, do you remember whenever we graduated pirate school?
I do. We went to Chuck E. Cheese.
We did. Who here likes Chuck Chuck E. Cheese? I knew it! But we saw that guy with the beard.
That was an immaculate beard.
And that anchor.
That was the biggest, shiniest anchor I have ever seen.
But didn't we celebrate with treasure?
We did have treasure.
Do you guys want some treasure today? Did we leave our food back at the docks, Jabberjaw?
I don't know. It doesn't sound like they want treasure at all.
I said, do you want treasure today? Treasure! 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 Alright, Jabberjaws, you heard our crew. They would like some treasure today. So can I have the keys to the treasure chest?
No, you have them. Come on, I want to get the treasure. Come on, it's right over here.
No, Jabberjaws. Jabberjaws, you were watching the boat last night, so you should have our keys, right?
Oh, well, they're just right in my vest pocket, right? They're right in my vest pocket.
Jabberjaws.
They're right in my vest. It's in my.
Why don't we look for it?
I don't have our keys, Painty.
Why wouldn't you have our keys? What were you doing last night?
Well, I did have a pirate party on the boat last night. It was great.
Wait, you had a party and you didn't even think to invite me?
Well, the captain was there.
Captain?
Great party, Painty. Learn to dance.
Did ya?
What do you want to say?
I would love to.
Goes like that.
Oh, the Macarena! That's wonderful,
So good
Captain.
at that, Captain.
You're so good at it.
Well, who else is at this pirate party of yours, Jabberjaw?
Oh, only the best pirates on Marco, that's for sure.
Like who? Because none of us were there, so.
Well, Blackbeard was there, and Scurvy Sally, and Captain Jack Sparrow.
Hold on, you mean Johnny Depp? We all know that he's not even a real pirate.
Whoa, Painty, you don't ever say that to Johnny Depp.
Yeah, well, who else was there, Jabberjaws?
Well, Pirate Pete was there, and we made Zach.
Hold on, who did you just say?
We made Zach.
No,
He's from
Jabberjaws.
Oklahoma.
Before that,
Pirate Pete! How he was great! He brought chips, he brought dip, he brought this orange flavored grog. It was so good.
you mean the same Pirate Pete that we stole that treasure from?
Wait, that's Pirate Pete's treasure?
Jabberjaws, how do you not know where your own treasure comes from?
Well, I just thought we bought it off of Seabay.
eBay!
Hi.
Alright, ladies, do you guys see what just happened here? Pirate Pete stole the keys to our treasure chest, so how can we find them to get our keys back?
Look for them.
We can look, yeah, we used to look for it. Did I hear a treasure map? I think I heard it. We do have a treasure map.
We do?
Have the map, please.
Oh, Painty, I don't have the map either.
Why don't you have our map, Jabberjaws?
Well, last night after the party, I kind of used it as a napkin when I finished that bag of Cheetos.
Again? What did I tell you about that? You've got to be the worst pirate ever. You lose our keys, you lose our map, you don't think to invite me to your pirate parties.
Oh.
Everybody boo Jabberjaws!
Oh, I'm so sorry, you guys.
Oh, I already told everybody that I didn't want to pull out the plank today.
Oh, no plank, please, no plank.
So do you think there's a map still here?
It's here on the ship.
Do you think it's upstairs, maybe?
Oh no, there's just a cranky old captain up there.
Yeah, nobody likes to be up there with him. What about down that hallway, maybe?
No, there's just a smelly old bathroom.
Gross. So, it is here on the main deck somewhere, right?
It's here.
Do you guys think you can help us look for our map?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go look for it.
Treasure map.
Thank you so much for helping us look. I know.
It's gotta be here somewhere.
I kind of remember falling asleep on this island.
He found it! What's your name, buddy? Everybody give Leo a round of applause!
Leo, he found it.
So we'll see you at 8 o'clock in the morning. You're taking over Johnny Albert Jaws' job. Good job, Ben.
But what about my 401k?
Should have been a better pilot like me. All hands on deck, mateys! All hands on deck! Come on over, everybody!
Come on over, ladies, you gotta read the map.
Now, where do you guys think that Pirate Keith would be on here? That's just right over here! So, we need to raise our fighting song so he knows we're coming, right? Can you guys help me with that? All right, ladies, all hands on deck!
Go that way, Bob.
Can you guys help me find the top and the bottom of the flag? Thank you.
You gonna go beef? Go race the fight?
You're good for something, Jabba Jaws.
I was looking straight at that plate.
All right, so can I have the top, please?
Sea legs. Sea legs.
That's right.
Sea legs.
And the bottom.
That was good. I was looking at it. I didn't see it. It was good.
All right, now I'm going to need all your help to say heave-ho. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Heave-ho! 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 Good job, mateys. Jabba Jaws,
Yes, ma'am.
would you like to teach them the surfer really quick?
Absolutely.
All right, mateys, if you guys feel a little bit unsteady during our ride today, if you feel any waves underneath us, you feel like you're going to fall down, all you have to do is stretch your legs out like this, bend at your knees, stretch your arms out like this. TripAdvisor and Facebook. We are the Pirates of Marco. We do have sunset cruises every night this week, and both of us all day, and we have our bar PJ and our cash guys.